Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be removing this corner marker light from this 2000 Saab 9.3. This should be the same for all of the Saab 9.3s from 1998 through 2001, and the only tool you need is a T25 screwdriver. First thing we're going to do is open up the hood. Next, I'm going to reach in there with a T25, take that loose, see if that'll slide out. That's the screw that holds this corner light in. You don't have to screw it all the way out, just a couple of turns so that it could unhook from it. If you screw it all the way out, you might drop it down in the bottom of the car. With that one screw out, you kind of massage the light out and disconnect the two plugs. Push that tab there, push the two tabs on that side, unplug that, get it out of the way. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.